Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing Google isn't just a search engine anymore. It's a smart assistant that reads your emails, summarizes your searches, and even helps run your day. Sundar Pichai just flipped the switch on something huge, AI mode. And it's about to change everything you know about how we use the internet, because Google just flipped the switch on something massive. Sundar Pichai has officially launched AI mode, and it's not just an update. It's a total rewrite of how we search, work, and interact with the internet. Could this be the end of traditional search? This isn't the future anymore. It's happening right now. Search results that think for you, emails that write themselves, and a phone that feels more like a co-pilot than a device. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of Google's biggest transformation yet, showing you what AI mode actually is, how it works, what it really means for you, creators, websites, SEO, the future of tech, and why it just changed Google, and possibly your entire digital life, forever. Stick around. This is just the beginning. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the future of AI, because it just went live. Let's dive in. Think of AI mode as Google finally taking the training wheels off. For years, Sundar Pichai promised that Google would become an AI-first company, and now it actually is. AI mode weaves artificial intelligence into nearly every corner of Google's ecosystem: search, Gmail, Docs, Android, and beyond. Flagship tools like Project Gemini, NotebookLM, and the all-new AI overviews are turning what used to be static tools into dynamic thinking assistants. No more typing a question and scanning links. Now, Google answers you directly with summaries, context, and actionable suggestions. It's classic search, reimagined with a brain of its own. So what does this feel like in real life? Imagine Googling a complex topic, and instead of sifting through 10 blue links, you get a complete, AI-generated summary at the top, instantly. That's AI overviews, where you're composing an email, and Gmail offers a smart draft that actually sounds like you. That's Help Me Write, powered by Gemini. Even Android is smarter, suggesting real-time actions, organizing your day, and responding to your voice or camera. Multimodal interaction is here: talk, type, or snap a photo. Google understands it all. During the I/O keynote, these demos felt like science fiction. Now Theory quietly going live. This is the moment Sundar Pichai has been building toward for nearly a decade. When he first said Google would be AI first, most people didn't fully grasp what that meant. Now we're seeing it. Google isn't just a search engine or an app suite anymore. It's becoming a personal AI assistant, wrapped in the tools you already use. It's a massive shift in how we access and interact with information. Instead of finding answers find you. And in a world where OpenAI, Microsoft, and Apple are racing to define the AI age, Pichai just took the lead. The implications are huge. For users, this means less effort, more intelligence. For Google, it means redefining its entire identity. Search, once the company's crown jewel, is transforming into an experience powered by generative reasoning. And for competitors, the pressure is on. While Microsoft pushes Copilot and Apple teases its AI announcements, Google just launched something functional, familiar, and surprisingly futuristic. This is no longer about who has the smartest chatbot. It's about who can embed AI where people already live and work. And right now, Google's AI mode is leading that charge, one predictive, personalized answer at a time. The ripple effects of AI mode are being felt across every corner of the internet. For content creators, this means the SEO game has changed forever. Traditional traffic from search is shrinking as AI overviews give users answers without clicking through. Developers are diving into new opportunities with Gemini APIs integrating powerful language models into their own apps with ease. And for everyday users, it's a subtle revolution. Smarter Android devices, AI-suggested routes and maps, personalized writing, and Gmail everywhere. The tech press is buzzing. Investors are optimistic, and the developer community are calling this Google's most ambitious shift since Android. For digital publishers, Google's AI summaries are a double-edged sword. On one hand, answering questions directly at the top of search results. Users no longer need to click through to individual websites to get what they need. They streamline access to knowledge. On the other, they cut into traffic that creators depend on. The days of writing to rank may soon become writing to feed the model. Meanwhile, developers are loving it. Gemini Pro APIs and NotebookLM offer powerful, scalable tools for building next-gen apps. What once took complex machine learning infrastructure now takes a few lines of code. This democratization of AI is giving indie devs and startups access to tools previously reserved for tech giants. The gate is wide open if you're ready. But with great power comes serious questions. How accurate is this AI-generated information? Despite improvements, hallucinations still happen, and when Google summarizes medical advice or legal questions, that's a high-stakes gamble. There's also the privacy angle. AI mode relies on personal data, behavior patterns, and user interaction. While Google says privacy controls are built in, skeptics worry about long-term data collection. And then there's the monopoly issue. If Google owns the tools and the answers, are we entering a future where the web becomes a walled garden? Critics argue it's time to ask whether one company should wield this much AI power. As AI mode rolls out, the stakes couldn't be higher. It's the start of a new era, one where the tools you use not only assist you, but learn, adapt, and evolve with you. For better or worse, Google just accelerated us into the age of ambient intelligence. We're moving from searching to simply asking, from typing to collaborating with machines. But with that comes responsibility to question how this power is used, who benefits, and who gets left behind. One thing's certain, this isn't just a feature update. This is Google, rewritten, and the internet may never be the same. Sundar Pichai has officially ushered Google into the next era, an era where AI isn't just a feature, but the core of how we interact with technology. In the coming months, expect even more powerful updates to Gemini and a wider expansion of AI-driven search that will continue to transform your digital experience. Remember, we're not just using Google anymore. We're talking to it, and it's talking back. Please drop a comment below and tell us what tech giant or innovation you want us to cover next. With that said, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more deep dives into the companies shaping tomorrow, and to be notified whenever we drop a new content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.